Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today I'm in the Adirondacks and I'll be hiking to Barn Rock, which is a cliff right next to Lake Champlain. Let's go. So the trail starts with a parking lot like this, and it's free. There's also a couple of trails here. You can go to Split Rock, you can go to Snake Den, so there's many possibilities. Today is a beautiful and sunny day, so I think we'll have amazing views. Summer vibes. I'm rocking my trail runners again. Woohoo! So far it's really easy. It's a flat trail, it's a snowmobile trail. It's beautiful, but it's not hard at all. The sun is warm. Wow. Feels like 14 degrees Celsius at the moment. So, yeah, it's real summer vibes. That's pretty cool. We can see water already. I think it's gonna be beautiful. Look at this gem. This is awesome. Oh wow. This is one of the nicest views I ever had. This is beautiful. And you're right at the edge of the cliff. It's a beautiful day, it's sunny, and it's not windy at all. So I was able to fly my drone, use the remote controller for the first time. I've flown over Lake Champlain. I didn't go too far because, you know, I was afraid a bit, but first time, first test, stunning views. It's not a hard hike. For what you get, it's really hard to beat. It is amazing. What a beautiful place. So I'm on my way back, but I will stop at Snake Den. It's a side trail, it's around 0.6 miles, so I'll go check it out. Well, that was a nice view. nothing close to Barn Rock, but it's on the same trail. So technically you get both. And if you want to keep going, well, there's another view down below, and you can go to Split Rock too. You can have a lot of things to see here. So beautiful hidden gem. It's not technically hidden. It's just that it's way less popular. I haven't seen any hikers. I'm all alone here. So I have all the view to myself. So that's what I mean. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to click on this one. See you soon.